So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Rockseed laser level self-leveling laser I got off of Amazon, and I'll post a link in the description below. I bought it to help me install a drop ceiling, so I'm going to open it up and show it to you. It comes all black, carrying case, Velcro on it. It does have like some type of belt loop on it. Here it is. So it's pretty simple to use. It only has two buttons. It has the little top button. It's also an indicator, and it has a slider on the side, and then the front glass where the laser comes out. So to turn it on, self-leveling mode, slide the slider forward, and it comes on. So it has a 4-degree tilt. So at the top you can see it's flashing between green and red, but once you have it within its range, it'll turn green and self-level itself. But if it's tilted out of the 4-degree range, then it's gonna give you that red light, and it's gonna blink. So to use it in self-leveling mode, it does have to be within 4 degrees. It also has a manual mode, which you slide the slider back, hold the top button for 3 seconds, and it should come on, and then it's just a crosshair laser level that you can put at any angle, but it is not self-leveling in this mode. So the crosshairs, it's got 100-foot cross lines. It says it can withstand a fall from 4 feet. It does have a 1/4-inch thread mount on the bottom, so you could hook it up to a tripod. They say that it is dustproof and waterproof. Turn it back off, hold the button for 3 seconds. That's it. Alright, I'm going to show you how to mount it onto the tripod, and then I'll show you the functionality of it. Again, it has 1/4-inch mounting threads. I have a tripod here. We do get it started. Once it's secured, it's ready to be used. So it's a very simple operation. Turn on self-leveling mode. It projects the line onto the wall and levels itself. Again, to change it out of self-leveling mode into manual mode, move the slider over, hold the button down for 3 seconds. So now you can change any of the angles, put it wherever you want. So this laser level was only about $24 from Amazon. So it was definitely worth the money for the simple project that I needed it for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.